Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're enjoying this amazing weather outside. The only problem during monsoon is y'all think if at all y'all should wear makeup. There is no such problem. Of course, you can wear makeup, and this is a really simple look that I'm going to show you today. It's really important to moisturize your face, so I'll be using this Estee Lauder Day Wear Face Cream. It's a really nice light cream and it's a day wear cream. It has SPF 15, so this is really good for monsoon. I'm going to start priming my face. I'm going to be using this Sephora primer. It's really important to prime your face so that your makeup lasts for long and your skin becomes really oily during monsoon, and this will attract a lot of dust and dirt. So this will act like a protection layer on your face. I'm going to start with concealing my blemishes with this MAC concealer. My shade is NC42. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes and try and hide all the blemishes on my face. I wouldn't advise you to use a liquid foundation this season as it will wear off quite quickly. So I'll be using this MAC foundation. This is the MAC Pro Long Wear Foundation. My shade is NC42. The eyeshadow that I'm going to be using today is from Makeup Revolution. I'll be using this really light shade. It's a powdery eyeshadow, so I've already used a concealer before applying this, so that will last for long. It's really important to use a waterproof eyeliner or a kajal pencil. So I'll be using this gel liner from Maybelline. This lasts for really long and it's waterproof. I'm just making a really thin line. That's about it. It's really important to use a waterproof mascara. This mascara that I'll be using is from Maybelline. It's called Foxy's Push-Up Drama. It's really good. The volume that it gives is really nice. So I just love this mascara, and plus it's waterproof. I'll be doing my brows with this NYX eye pencil. Now I'll be using this NYX eyebrow pencil. It's really nice and smooth. And this is how I'm going to be doing my brows. I'm just going to fill it. And also remember to use a matte lipstick this season. I'll be using this lipstick from Miss Claire and the shade is 32. This is a really light shade, very good for this season, very neutral. I'll be using the same lipstick as my blush. I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingers and apply it on my cheeks so that this lasts for long. Powdery blushes won't really last for long. I'm going to apply it on both my cheeks and just So that's it guys. This is my really simple, easy monsoon makeup. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I shall see you soon. Bye guys. Mwah.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about something that is a very big concern for a lot of people in the industry, including me and people who are not makeup artists, and that is waterproof makeup. So me as a makeup artist, it's very important for me to be using most of my products that are waterproof, especially when I'm doing a bride, because well, everyone's crying and there's like a lot of emotion. You don't know who starts crying when. So I not just only do waterproof makeup for the bride, but also people just attending the wedding. And I just feel like it's a much safer option to be doing waterproof makeup for anyone in general. It's one of the major concerns for people and girls, for young girls actually, also college going girls or women in corporate industries and everything, for want to know how waterproof makeup is done or used, or what are the particular products that they should invest in. So I'm just going to talk about a few products that I really like and that are very important. So the main thing about waterproofing your makeup is that anytime you start doing your makeup, it's very important for you to use a setting spray or like a primer. Definitely I have a setting spray and a primer that I use, because these are the two things. Usually setting spray is put at the end of the entire look and primer before you start the look. So these two things at the beginning and the end are something that is going to carry forward your makeup for hours and make it last longer. So that's your first step into waterproofing your makeup. I usually also apply a little bit of prep and prime, and then like a thicker primer on top, and then start my makeup, and then eventually put a setting spray. So any kind of makeup products that you use, waterproof or not, I'd advise you to start with a primer and end with a setting spray. That is the most important thing, so remember that. Then secondly, a waterproof eyeliner is a must in your kit, because that is something that you will need whether you're going to a wedding or not. You could just be stepping out in the day and you never know that it could be so hot and that you're just running around and your makeup is melting. So definitely invest in a waterproof eyeliner, preferably a gel eyeliner, because that is something that stays. There have been times that I have gone to the gym, I have worked out for 2 hours and this eyeliner has like not shifted. Then a good compact powder, because sometimes, mostly actually in Bombay especially, we tend to sweat a lot. So it's very important to have a compact powder with you throughout. So after you've done any kind of look, you kind of pat the face with a compact or like a setting powder or loose powder. Definitely that to keep everything intact and stay. And of course a lip liner is very important. So usually a lot of lipsticks are waterproof in terms of they're very long lasting. But then there are a lot of lipsticks that have great lasting power but are not waterproof or don't stay. So for something like that, I'd advise you that you probably use like a lip liner, line your lips, take the same pencil to fill into the entire lip, and then put your lipstick over it. This acts like a base for your lipstick, because at the end of the day, it's something holding the lipstick and kind of increases the power to stay. So you can even make non-waterproof makeup waterproof makeup by just following a few easy steps like priming, prepping, using setting spray and finishing up your entire look. So guys, I really hope that this video was helpful and informative enough. Do leave your comments below and let me know what else that you'd like to see. This is Naima signing off on Foxy. Do follow their Instagram, which is Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. Also follow me on Instagram by Makeup and Hair Maliha. I'll see you soon. Maliha loves.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? So finally, monsoon has started, summer's over, and it's pouring like crazy outside. We all love this season, but did you know it's really important to take care of your skin during monsoon, and especially this season because there's so much pollution outside, plus the water outside, and your skin gets really damaged. And the first thing that we do is we just stop applying sunscreen because it's it's not even sunny outside, but that's not the case, guys. First and most important thing is you need to apply sunscreen during monsoon as well. And don't think it's gloomy outside, you don't need to apply it. It's very important. And cleansing, toning and moisturizing, these three things are really important. So first you cleanse your face once you come back from office or from school, college, whatever. Cleanse your face really well. Use a nice makeup remover or a nice face wash. You remove all the makeup or all the oil that is been on your skin, so you get rid of that. Firstly, that's really important. Second thing is toning. So use a nice toner because this will really help your skin. Once you've done that, use a nice toner, just apply it all over your face. If you have dry skin like mine, toners are harsh on your skin, so you can apply rose water. That acts like a really good toner. once after you've done that, moisturizing is the third thing. Use a nice moisturizer according to your skin type, if it's oily, dry, or normal skin, combination skin. So use a moisturizer which will moisturize your skin, and which will not damage your skin because of the monsoon outside. So do that. And most important thing is you need to keep your feet really good. Don't let the water stay in your feet. Just keep changing your shoes, wear appropriate shoes, and take care of your feet. Put your feet in like hot water once you come home from office, and this will get rid of all the dirt from your feet. And these are a few tips that you need to follow, and this will help you during monsoon. And take care of your skin, take care of your health. And if you have any more doubts, ask me in the comment section below. And for more DIYs, for more skincare tips, more makeup, follow Foxy, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So it's monsoon season now and summer just got over. We were always looking for a waterproof makeup. I know during summer it's so sweaty and your makeup washes off, and during monsoon, because it is pouring outside, your makeup will eventually go off. So today I'm going to share a few waterproof makeup tips with you. So guys, the first thing is foundation. That is which comes off like really easily. So what you need to do is stop applying your heavy thick foundation, and you can move to BB creams. So BB creams are tinted moisturizers which will really absorb into your skin, and it will not fade off, it won't wash off so easily. So instead of applying foundation, go for BB creams. And the second tip is apply primer. So primer will make sure that your makeup is in place and it won't like go off really easily. So primer is really important if you're looking for waterproof makeup. And the third tip is, even if you're using a liner, see it's waterproof. You can either go for like a gel liner, which is good. It won't wash off that easily and it won't smudge also. So gel liner or waterproof liners are really good. And the fourth tip is, after you apply your BB cream, make sure that you apply powder to it. It won't really make your makeup wash off that easily, but it will also make your makeup stay in place. So that's more important. And my last tip is skip powder blushes. You can use tinted blushes, which is really good. There are a lot of companies which have started, like Body Shop, Maybelline. So it's like a tinted blush. You just apply it onto your skin and dab, so it will absorb into your skin, won't really wash off. Even if you're sweating or if you're out in the rain, it will stay. So these were a few tips on how you can use these tips for waterproof makeup, and your makeup will stay in place. So go try it and let me know if you have any more doubts in the comment section below. And if you have any more products that I should try which is really good, which is waterproof, do let me know. And for more DIYs, makeup tips, follow Foxy, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to show you two mascaras. So one is which is like a waterproof mascara, and second one is a regular one. So these are my two favorites. I'm going to apply it and I'm going to show you the difference. This is really cool if you're going out for a full day work, or if you are doing any water activities or anything. So this waterproof mascara is really good. So this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is waterproof. So I'm going to show this one on this eye. So this stays for 24 hours. I've tried it, tested it, no problem at all. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on my eyelid. So guys, this is what it looks like. It's really nice and your lashes look really nice, and there's so much volume. So my second mascara, this is not waterproof, but this is my favorite. This is by Benefit. It's the Bad Girl Bang. So you must have seen it in a lot of my videos. I really like this, but if I'm going out and if there's a water activity or something, I use this. But this is like my regular use. But this is a little expensive than the L'Oreal one. I'm going to show you on this eye. So these are two mascaras. This is what I applied on this eye and this is what I've applied here. So I like this mascara, but I don't like to use something waterproof for a regular basis because it's a task to remove the waterproof mascara. That's why I like using a regular mascara. You guys, if you have any mascara that I should try and if you want to recommend, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, of course, you can ask me. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials and Leena Gowda Official. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.